Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Looking at Apple on the daily and weekly time frame. So the bulls were very strong today. The fact that they broke the high of yesterday and are continuing the higher low, higher high pattern shows a ton of strength, especially when we're seeing that market weakness yesterday that the bulls seem to have shrugged off. That being said, it is a bearish reversal candlestick yesterday, another bearish reversal inverted hammer today. So we can see that the bulls aren't really comfortable holding overnight, and these upper wicks show profit taking by the end of the day. But we are still closing above the upper Bollinger Band, which is 115.63. That's going to be right at about 116 tomorrow. And as long as we keep closing above that upper Bollinger Band, we are in breakout mode. But resistance from here is 116.73. We filled the gap by 2 pennies and then pulled back. So that was a target by market makers, potentially, in my opinion. Next resistance is 117.76 if we can break this high. But a red day will confirm that we are in for some consolidation. And seeing where we have come from over the past 8 days, pretty much coming from 109 all the way up to 116, certainly consolidation would be normal and healthy. The weekly time frame absolutely still favors the bulls. We've got a bullish MACD cross ready and waiting, moving averages continuing to ascend, and the bulls are loving this weekly chart since about May when this bounce started and the trend reversal got underway. So looking at Apple on the 5-minute time frame, there was a very clear pattern to be looking at. The huge move right out of the gate filled that gap by 2 pennies, then we pulled back, held the 20-period moving average, bounced around that level. Here's our lower high, our higher low compared to consolidation, and it was more like a descending triangle because it was a double bottom here by 2 pennies, and then it was very clear a lower high again, and then once we broke that 1152 level, that's your bear signal, and we dumped from 1152 all the way down to, or I should say 115.82 all the way down to 115.41. So again, not a huge move, but enough for a day trade to be had there. Bullish reversal hammer, seeing a little bit of a bounce, tightening range, rejecting from the 20-period moving average resistance, little bull break at the end of the day, and not a ton of trade opportunity to be had there. But on the whole, the bulls are absolutely in control of the daily time frame, and we can see the 20-period moving average support held that big pullback at the low there. So that 20-period is a key level to be watching into tomorrow as well. Currently 115.50, but that's going to change by the time we open tomorrow. So the Apple bulls in control on the daily, but a red day to end the week would have us looking for further consolidation to start next week, which again would be normal and healthy after the strong move we've seen over the past 8 days. So we'll see what tomorrow brings, wrapping up an exciting week of volatility. I appreciate you watching and hope you have a great night.